Hi, in this video I'll do a quick demo of the upcoming interface booking feature. So here we find an expert, we go ahead and select the expert, and you can see there's a section down here where I can select the time of their availability using a very simple user interface. So I can scroll through and pick an available time, and then I can provide a reason for my booking, and I can go ahead and book the interface. I'll go ahead and pay for it, and my funds will be held in escrow, and there the booking was made successfully. We have a bookings view where you can go and look at all the bookings that have been made, both for the caller and the expert. And there's also a schedule view where you can go ahead and add the times where as an expert you are available. So you can put in all the time slots that you are available using a very simple user interface. So let's take a look at that again with a different user. So this also demonstrates our Interface Pro feature. So it says SpaceX, but that's obviously testing. But you can see the the expert is available for today and tomorrow. So we can pick a time and go ahead and make the booking. In this case, it's a US dollar expert. So I'll be prompted for payment once I select booking. We've edited the payment part, and then the booking was made successfully. Now, if you are the expert or the caller, you can go to either of these bookings here and select the calendar option, and it will add the item to your default calendar on your app. So that is the interface booking feature that is coming soon. Thank you.